This strategy gives me more than 87% of win rate. In the first part of this video, I will explain you exactly when to open a buy, when to open a sell, and when to exit. In the second part, I will do backtest process and show you the results of the strategy. And in the final part, I will show you the exact same settings what I have used. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Simply let's move to my screen, and here you can see I'm using the swing structure bands indicator, and here on the chart you can see swing low, swing high, and there are some diamonds. So first of all, let me show you when to open a sell trade. For example, here is a swing high. So we will be looking for the sell trade until we get a swing low, which is here. So once we get this signal swing low, we will be looking for the buy trades until we get a swing high again. And the second rule is we will not open the sell trade immediately when this swing high appears. We will be looking for this purple diamond. So when this diamond appears, we will simply open a sell trade. We will not care about the green line, the green diamond, nothing. So after swing high, we will be focusing on the purple diamond, and after swing low we will be focusing on the green diamonds. So here after this swing high, here is this purple diamond appear. I will open a sell trade on the closing of this candle where this appear. So on this candle it appear, I will set the SL at this swing high around here, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which is almost here, and it closed with the TP. And now let me show you an example of buy trade. For example, here it shows swing low, and after that here is the first green diamond. So we will open a buy trade on the closing of this candle. The SL will be around here. You can set SL at this diamond, or you can set SL at here the swing low. So I will set SL here, and the TP will be 1.5 risk to reward ratio, which is almost around here, and this trade also closed with a profit. I hope you understand the strategy. Now let's move to the backtest process. The backtest process is completed, and here you can see it made a total net profit of $526 with the maximum drawdown of just $20, and the win rate is 87.2%. You can see all other metrics here, and the most important thing is how the equity curve is going up, which is very smooth, means there is no big drawdown. And here you can see the profit and loss distribution and win-loss by direction, profit and loss, buy and sell. As you know, this video save a lot of your time and efforts. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe this channel for more strategies. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.